The underwear will regain its snowy white color without the use of chlorine bleach. Pour hot water, very hot, into a bowl. Add 3 tablespoons of baking soda to it. This is a commonly known product for its whitening properties. If you don't have baking soda, you can use 3 or 4 packages of baking powder. Baking powder is a mixture with soda in it, so it has a weaker effect than soda alone. Also, add 2 tablespoons of salt to the water. Salt whitens and removes stains. Our grandmothers already used it for this purpose when doing laundry. Finally, add 2 tablespoons of laundry detergent, preferably designed for white clothes. Mix everything with a spoon or spatula. Immerse the cotton underwear, soak it thoroughly, and leave it for at least 20 minutes. Take it out of the bowl and put it in the washing machine as usual with other white items and wash it. Delicate lingerie, lace panties, and bras will look like new. You can also whiten them with another home method. In a bowl of warm water, not boiling, add baking soda and laundry detergent for white clothes in the same proportion. It can be 2 tablespoons for a smaller amount of items. Dissolve them well and soak the lingerie. Leave it to soak for about 20 minutes and wash it as usual in the washing machine on the Delicate Fabrics program. After washing, you will notice the difference. The lingerie will be much whiter. How to wash curtains to make them white again? After a few weeks, curtains turn gray and lose their snowy white color, especially curtains hanging in the kitchen and dining room. Not only dust and dirt settle on them, but also grease. If you don't have time to soak them before washing in the machine, prepare a sock. Put 2 tablespoons of salt in it, add a little dishwashing liquid. But not too much, so that there is not too much foam. Throw this salt and dishwashing liquid bundle into the washing machine with the curtains. Add a laundry capsule as usual, and pour a little vinegar into the fabric softener compartment. This will refresh the whiteness and help remove strong stains. Curtains will be like new after washing. However, you will achieve better results if you soak the curtains before washing. Pour 2 tablespoons of salt into a bowl of warm water. For a better effect, adding at least 1 tablespoon of baking powder is sufficient. Instead of baking powder, you can use baking soda, depending on what you have in your kitchen cabinet. Soak the curtains in this water, and then wash them as usual in the washing machine. You'll get rid of dirt, and the curtains will be snowy white again after just 1 wash. I'm putting chestnuts into boiling water. This way I make the most eco-friendly laundry detergent in the world. Moreover, you can make it for free. It's safe for allergy sufferers and the sensitive skin of young children. It can even handle the toughest stains. Whenever I find chestnuts in the autumn, I take them home. They have brilliant cleaning properties. Initially, we put them in a pot and boil them for 15 minutes. Then we cut the shell and extract the white flesh. I remove the husks carefully. This is important if you want to use the liquid for washing white clothes as well. I put them in a jar and pour in warm water. After 2 hours, we strain the chestnuts. I put them in a blender and add a glass of water. I blend thoroughly. Then I strain the remaining chestnut residues from the liquid using a sieve. The prepared liquid can be stored for a maximum of 4 days in the refrigerator. We use it just like regular laundry detergents. Pour it into the drum or the washing machine's detergent drawer. Common chestnut fruits contain saponins, which are chemical compounds with foaming and cleaning properties. When they come into contact with water, saponins start foaming, which is why they work fantastically during washing. Chestnuts effectively deal with food stains, grease, and all kinds of contaminants. Toss a wet wipe into your dark laundry load. This is a handy trick to solve an annoying issue. Most people have no clue about this hack. Turns out, wet baby wipes have more uses than you might think. They come in handy when you're doing dark laundry. All you need to do is throw 2 damp wet wipes into the washing machine drum and set a regular cycle. Often during the laundry process, some lint and stubborn hairs get stuck on certain clothes. They're particularly noticeable on dark fabrics. The wet wipe trick comes to the rescue. Its fabric attracts and captures lint and hairs. Instead of sticking to your clothes, they end up on the wet wipe. After the laundry is done, simply toss the wipes in the trash. Your black clothes will look good as new, and you won't have to deal with those annoying lint particles. Pour this foaming mixture into the toilet and see what happens. This trick is used by housekeepers in 5-star hotels. Thanks to it, you can clean even a heavily soiled toilet literally without scrubbing. The bubbling foam will do all the work for you. Pour 5 tablespoons of laundry detergent into a bowl. Then add 5 tablespoons of salt. It has disinfectant and strong cleaning properties. Due to its properties, salt can successfully replace harmful chemicals in many situations. Add 50 milliliters of vinegar to the powder. It excellently eliminates bacteria, germs, and mold. It can even tackle very old deposits of limescale that often accumulate under the rim of the toilet bowl. Mix everything together. The mixture will start reacting and foaming immediately. This combination of ingredients acts like an invisible brush. Just pour it into the toilet. It's worth pouring it on the walls as well. Then leave it for several minutes. The active foam will dissolve water deposits and disinfect the inside of the toilet. The bathroom will be filled with a fresh, clean scent in just a few minutes. I regularly use a clove of garlic in the toilet. Give it a try, and you'll be amazed at the results. Take a clove of garlic to the bathroom, peel it, and drop it into the toilet. It's best to do this overnight before going to sleep. You'll get rid of bacteria and various pathogens that were in the bowl, all without using chlorine or corrosive substances. In the morning, just flush the toilet, and you're done. It's best to perform this garlic home trick regularly, every few days. The positive effects will surprise you, and you won't have to worry about a bacteria-free toilet anymore. Another way to eliminate harmful bacteria and stains from the toilet is to mix garlic with vinegar. Fill a jug or a small pot with about 200 milliliters of water. Chop the garlic into small pieces and add it to the water. Garlic is known for killing viruses, bacteria, and fungi, and is a natural product available in every home. Add vinegar to the garlic-infused water and mix everything. Leave it for a while to let the mixture take effect. Vinegar is an eco-friendly ally in the fight against stains, limescale, mold, and bacteria. People who want to keep their bathroom clean without using strong chemicals appreciate its properties. Pour the garlic and vinegar mixture into the toilet and flush after some time. In this case, too, it's best to let the mixture stay in the toilet bowl overnight. It's a homemade and inexpensive way to have a clean toilet, free from bacteria, mold, and viruses. The toilet will be disinfected without using harmful chlorine products, and all this without spending a lot of money on their purchase. How do you maintain toilet cleanliness? How often do you clean it, and what products do you use? Let me know in the comments.